Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can edit any item single which is added on TranZact. So first of all, you need to go on inventory module. On your left hand side, you will see inventory module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in inventory module, how you can edit any item. So please check these are the list of items which are already added in my inventory. So this is RM 1078 sulfur. I want to edit it. So how you can do it? You need to hover on this three dot. You will get edit option here. Click on edit. Now, once you will open this item, please check. Here you can go ahead and make the changes. So it's sulfur oxide. So I just make the changes in the name sulfur oxide. I will go ahead and make the changes in the buy type, sell both as well. Item category I can define. So this is raw material. I will define it. Alternate UOM you can provide it here. Price I can go ahead and make changes. So I will just go ahead and make a price of 250. Tax, as this was not filled while adding the item. So I am going ahead and editing the item and providing all the details here. Now I will click on save. Here you can switch any product to service as well. You need to click on this product and then after it will ask for the confirmation of clicking on service, and then accordingly it will be changed into service. Now I will click on save. So once I clicked on save, please check. Here is all the details saved. I will go back to my inventory module and then after I will check. Please check the name of the item got changed, sulfur oxide, raw materials, uh, price got changed, and accordingly remaining details got changed. Do remember that while editing the item through edit item bulk or through edit item single, stock cannot be changed. For stock update, you need to use the bulk manual adjustment or you can use the physical stock reconciliation if that is one time update of physical stock. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.